early spring 2019, we traveled to Japan with our friend, Gaby.
The flight to Tokyo Haneda Airport had a 15-hour stopover in Beijing, China, on the way there.
Our traditional pre-flight gin and tonic has turned into a pre-flight flight, which is okay too. Beer!
So we decided to apply for a transit visa on arrival
And leave the airport to see what we could see within that time frame.
I had been to Beijing before in 2010, but this would be both Jives and Gaby's first time in the country. They can ask for past China visas, so I made sure to bring along my old passport with my visa in it. Other than that, you can fill out the visa application when you arrive at the airport in China and be on your way in a short while. Many airports within China offer this service now, but research the specifics for your passport type. This service costs nothing to you. You guys want to be in it? That was my face. You gonna wiggle? Sassy. That's a dope stone lion right there. I'm a bit too late for the night market. Pretty cool street market. Qingdao in the sky.
This guy.
With anime chips. Well, I've got some Italian red meat flavor because gotta get my red meat in when I can.
What up, Internet? Welcome to Beijing Airport.
And goodbye, Beijing Airport.
Bye-bye.
I know it's in an airport, but it's still pretty cool. Goodbye, Beijing. Off we go to Haneda. Check out Japan. So you were saying the most important thing about traveling to Beijing from Canada, or maybe from anywhere.
Yeah, but in our experience, Canada, if a lady tells you at a desk in an official capacity that you're going to be like quarantined or locked up in a tiny zone, pay no heed, don't stress out. She has no idea what she's talking about. There's no quarantine, there's no...
You should be able to get a
holding
transit visa
zone.
as long as you got your shit together.
Yeah.
So she would be in quarantine because she got her shit together.
We went through a lot of fear and anxiety, but it was all for naught. Everything worked out.
We got to explore a bit of
Yeah.
Beijing in the middle of the night.
Even the cab was reasonably priced.
Yeah. So let's go on to a bigger adventure.
Yeah.
And maybe find some coffee.
Yeah.
Maybe in the opposite order.
I think the
Going to Japan. Going to Japan. Yeah.